All right, let's talk really quick about the coming soon option when you list your house. Coming soon is a status that you have a choice to use when you list your house. And every area of the country or area of the state even does it differently. But here in Huntsville, we can do a coming soon status for up to 5 days before we go active, okay? Now, during coming soon, we're not allowed to show the house, all right? That's number one important thing. An agent that shows a house in the coming soon status can get fined up to $1,000, okay? So we don't want to do that. Our team utilizes coming soon. We think it's a great asset for your listing. It puts a beacon up and it says, hey, we're coming to the market soon. Yes, there's a sign in the yard that has a coming soon rider on it. It does go in the MLS. It says coming soon, and we have to put an expected on-market date when we can allow showings. Another important thing is while it does go on the MLS and those who use valleymls.com can see coming soon listings, a coming soon MLS listing does not get syndicated to a third-party site such as Zillow, Trulia, Homes.com, Realtor.com. Those sites do not get the coming soon status. So consumers who use valleymls.com, which is our direct consumer-facing MLS site, they have an edge and they get to see what's coming soon. Coming soon also gives agents, buyer's agents, an opportunity to schedule their showings immediately after we make it active. So they have a leg up as well, those agents that are utilizing coming soon or looking for those listings. Here's a great example of a listing we made coming soon about 4 days ago in the MLS. We have nearly 700 contacts. Okay, so what that means is other agents in our market have created searches for their buyers, and their search parameters are pulling listings like this one on Ashton Place in South Huntsville. So this house is going to hit the market. It just hit the market this morning, $265,000. Nearly 700 people got an email that this house just hit the market, and that's just consumers who are signed up to receive updates from realtors, okay? That's not counting the Zillows and Trulias and Homes.com of the world. So this is why it is so important, in my opinion, to utilize the coming soon status if you are going to sell your home. So make sure you discuss that with your agent. It is a little bit more work on our side, but well worth it, in my opinion. We already have over 10 showings scheduled for the first day, and we just would not have had that kind of volume of activity for day one had we not utilized coming soon. I'm Ben Nemec. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these useful tips. Thanks.